Hello and welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I just wanted to share some of my best apps for Windows 11. I think at number 1 is the Dictation app. Let's try and test it out. So open up your favorite editor. For me, I think I'm just gonna go with OneNote, and then so press the logo key and letter H, and that should launch the Dictation app. And as you can see, as I speak, the Dictation app is typing. So this is pretty nice because this is really nice because you don't have to type anything. It's actually typing it for you. And if you go into settings as well, you can actually turn the voice typing launcher on, so it does launch automatically. And then auto punctuation is on as well. I turned that one on. And then let's start. And so you just, whatever you say, I'm not sure whether it can do some other languages, but it is worth trying. But at least for English, I think it seems to be typing nice. Let me try. Hello, if you're here, please do me a favor and subscribe. Thank you very much. Yeah, it does pretty good job. Just what you may have to do is just to go over what you've typed, but so far the Dictation works. So that by far is my number 1 best app for Windows 11. At number 2, it for me is the ability that we have now to snap stuff in Windows. So if I wanted to move this window, I can snap it there, I can snap it to the right, I can snap it really anywhere I want. I can snap it down. But even if I go up here, if I hover here at the box, it gives me a couple of options, different options that I can pretty much pick whichever I want. So I can decide wherever I take this window. So let me try that one. That will push it to the left. And if I try another one, I can pretty much take it anywhere. This should push it to the right, and I still have some other options here. So this is by far the best one for me. The ability to be able to just move it wherever I want, snap it. You can snap it at the corner, snap it down. It is pretty nice. It is pretty nice. And yeah, there's more stuff that are pretty nice with Windows 11, but I think for me the best two are those ones. Keep watching my channel for more updates. I think I'm gonna be going through Windows 11 and see which other apps are really good, but I wanted to just get the first 2 that I have out and let you guys know what you think. Let me know what you guys think about the 2 apps that I've shared on the comment section below. Thank you very much and have a good day.